Bro, actually calm down. She's acting like we choked him. Bella. Why are you doing that? You're not allowed in here. Get. Go. Bobby, you okay? Oh, Bobby, it's okay. You okay? I'm sorry. You okay? No, you didn't hurt your paw. You hurt your... No, baby, are you okay? I know. Come here. Let me see. Oh. Aurora? Aurora? I'm sorry. Is you okay? What happened? Look at the... Oh, look at that. You guys want to know how my dog's an actor? And scene. Oh, it's okay, honey. It's okay. Where does it hurt?